Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't need grammar books or long lectures. Just listen carefully and watch this video multiple times, and you'll be surprised how much you can learn. Today's video takes us into the exciting world of horse racing, elegance, and Southern tradition. We're talking about the Kentucky Derby, the most famous horse race in the United States. This event is more than just a sporting competition. It's a celebration of culture, fashion, history, and pageantry. Let's explore what makes the Kentucky Derby so special and why millions of Americans look forward to it every year. The Kentucky Derby is held every year on the first Saturday of May at Churchill Downs in Louisville, Kentucky. It's the first race of the Triple Crown, a prestigious series of 3 races for 3-year-old thoroughbred horses. The other 2 races are the Preakness Stakes and the Belmont Stakes, often called the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. The Kentucky Derby is a fast-paced race run over a distance of 1.25 miles. But even though the race itself is short, the day is packed with tradition, ceremony, and celebration. Let's talk about the fashion. The Kentucky Derby is famous for its colorful hats and elegant outfits. Women wear wide-brimmed hats decorated with flowers, feathers, and ribbons, while men dress in pastel suits and bow ties. The fashion is just as much a part of the event as the race itself. And for many, it's a chance to show creativity and Southern style. Now let's talk about the drinks. The official drink of the Derby is the mint julep, a cocktail made of bourbon, mint, sugar, and crushed ice. It's served in a silver cup and has become a symbol of the event's charm and heritage. And of course, there's the singing of My Old Kentucky Home, which brings many people to tears before the race begins. It's a moment of unity, pride, and emotion that reminds everyone they're witnessing something truly American. But behind the glamour, the Derby is a serious competition. The best trainers, jockeys, and horses from around the country prepare for months for a chance at victory. Winning the Kentucky Derby is one of the greatest achievements in American horse racing. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the Kentucky Derby, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. It's a great way to practice your English and explore more about American culture. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and creating better content for you. See you in the next adventure.